What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to make barbacoa the easy way. It'll take a while, but it's pretty easy. Here's what you're going to need: a quarter of an onion, about 3 garlic cloves, hojas de laurel, bay leaves, some oregano, black pepper, ground cumin, and tomato bouillon. Alright, so it's pretty easy. Pretty much all you're gonna do is, in goes our garlic, in go the bay leaves, the onion goes in, get a couple pinches of oregano, little handful there of black pepper, little bit of cumin, and take a couple spoonfuls of this tomato bouillon. Alright, that's pretty much it for dry ingredients. And now, barbacoa is this right here: beef cheek meat, cachete de res. You can see here, this is about 2.5 pounds. This is close to 3 pounds. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut them just with the package and all. I'm just gonna cut it in half, rinse off the blood, and I'll just throw it in there. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. I'll rinse these off and throw them in there. Well, there's some people that like to go in and trim all the fat and everything, but I mean, that really doesn't matter because it's all gonna boil down in that slow cooker. So personally, I don't do it. I just leave it as is. It's all gonna like melt down anyways. Alright, so once we have that in there, let's fit it in that crock pot. Just take some water, throw it in there. This just got air in it. It's not boiling up yet. But all right, so you just want to get it not overflowing, just more or less almost to the top of the lid. We'll throw that on high and we'll leave it all night. Right now it's 11, so we'll probably see you guys again tomorrow at around 8 or 9, maybe 10. So see you tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's been 9 hours now. Go ahead and put this on warm. As you can see, it's already tearing apart. Look at that. And then once that's done, we'll just throw it in a pan. It's all falling apart. We'll throw it in the pan, making sure you don't put in any of the bay leaves. The onion and the garlic is not bad, but if you try and eat a bay leaf, that might be a problem. Two of them right there. Go ahead and set those to the side. Part of the onion. Take that out. Throw this in the pan. Bay leaf. Now this is pretty much just fat, so let me go ahead and take that out. Or just big chunks of fat. Take that out. We'll just put this on medium heat, and we just work it around, break it down some. What we're gonna try and do is evaporate all that water that's in there. So it's gonna take a little bit, so I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, there it is. Here at my house we like it juicy, so we don't like it that dry. So that's about how we like it. But you can go ahead and cook it too. You know, however you want it, however you like it. Alright, that's ready to go up in some tortillas or burritos, tortas. So, show you that real quick right now.
Ready, sir?
Alright guys, so now we just take our tortillas, take some of this good barbacoa, slap it on there. Alright, then we'll get some diced onion, some cilantro, squeeze a lemon, and this sauce right here. It's Miss Renfro's ghost pepper salsa. I recommend this stuff, it's pretty good. Just add some of that on there. Finish it off with a little bit of salt. There you have it, guys. Remember to like and subscribe. Have a good day.